Hi everybody, this is Holly with Thea Residential, and today we're going to talk about how we can make selecting fabrics super easy. We all know the frustration of having the designer, the homeowner, the architect pick a fabric that they love just for us to have to go back and tell them that it actually doesn't work for their shade. So right now I'm in Thea's Catcher showroom in Times Square, but let's pop over to myProjects so we can take a look at this new resource. So now that we're in myProjects, we're going to go ahead and add a new palladium wire free shade to our project. We're going to start by adding the dimensions and selecting the mounting type, as well as the brackets. Oops, not that one. And we know that they want a brass finish. So now we're going to launch the fabric finder, which is going to show us only the fabrics that meet the specification requirements for the shade that we just built out. But we're still at 753 fabrics, which is really overwhelming. So let's make this easy. We know that they want something in an off-white or a beige colored fabric, and we're going to use something with a 5 to 10% openness factor. Now, we've also discussed that they want something that feels a bit more residential. So I'm going to filter the collection to only show me the atelier fabrics that have that softer, more of a residential feel to it. So now, instead of directing them to the Lutron Fabrics website, I'm able to share this list. You can create a shareable link. I'm going to copy that link just to make sure everything looks good. And now when the architect, the designer, the homeowner opens this list, they're not going to see the hundreds, if not thousands of fabrics Lutron offers. Instead, they're only going to see the 13 that meet the requirements for what they've asked for and the requirements of the shade specifications. So take advantage of this tool. I think it's really helpful and it's going to save us a lot of headaches.